Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS TP470E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS TP470E won't turn on, there could be a variety of reasons behind this issue. Often, it may be due to a faulty power supply, a malfunctioning battery, or even internal motherboard problems. If left unattended, you risk further damage to the device, leading to more expensive repairs down the line. To successfully tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement battery if needed. Ensure you also have a clean workspace and an anti-static mat to protect your device. To begin, power off your ASUS TP470E and ensure it is disconnected from any power source. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the laptop casing, starting from the back and working your way around the edges. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips holding the casing together. Once you have the casing removed, locate the battery, which is usually situated near the base of the device. Check for any visible signs of damage or swelling. If you identify a faulty battery, gently disconnect it from the motherboard by unclipping the connector. Then, remove any screws securing the battery in place, remembering to keep track of the screws, as they may vary in size. Replace the old battery with a new one, ensuring it is securely fastened and the connector is firmly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new battery is installed, carefully reassemble the casing by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your ASUS TP470E to check if it turns on and operates correctly. If it does, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check your battery health and avoid overcharging your device. It's also a good idea to keep your laptop updated with the latest software, as this can help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.